Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This truck miscalculated and thought he could drive under this bridge. I'm unsure if it was the snow or the owner pulling on his car door that stopped the car from sliding. Hopefully, this driver had collector's car insurance.
Moving tonight, overnight local time about 2 to 1, we have a 60% chance of rain tonight. For tomorrow, sunny and windy, temperatures falling to about 50 degrees. Tomorrow night, clear skies.
Did they hit? It's hard to tell, but I think it was a close one for sure.
A few moments later.
15 seconds later, this truck driver was flipped on the side of a road. This driver was driving like an absolute knob and got karma a minute later.
A few moments later.
How does this even happen? The driver in the grey car thinks his lane is a turning lane and basically runs a red light. This is why you should stop behind the crosswalk or the line.
A few moments later.
This driver had to perform an emergency braking in order to avoid hitting this pole.
Am I okay to check my tires? Can I check my tires real quick? I hit the brakes and I smelt burning.
Yeah,
I don't know.
because your tires locked up. I'll follow you.
Are they good? Okay, thank you.
Where did this driver even come from? And where is this? This looks like Australia, mate. That must have been his first accident. Hopefully, everything is okay. This driver catches a whole police chase with unmarked vehicles on Dashcam.
Trying to get away from him.
Yeah, that's like a chase.
He's a chaser.
This is a chase scene.
What are they doing?
My camera is recording it. So,
These guys look like they're following him.
yeah. Are we going straight?
Yeah.
You don't want to follow the chase.
Might be interesting.
Yeah, that was
I thought when I first saw that cop pull up that he was after that guy.
uh-oh.
Here they come.
Oh,
God, that guy ain't got a chance. He's crazy.
just sit and watch.
Okay, we got 3 of them on the chase now. 3 cops. Crazy.
What does it mean when a car is slightly drifting sideways? This is not worth the time you would save. This driver does every single thing wrong. Do you think she has snow tires or chains equipped here? Comment down below if you would run a yellow light. Do you think this crash particularly happened because that Tesla weighs a lot? Mate, with the amount of time you spent waiting in the middle of the road and inching along, you could have probably just made a turn already when there wasn't anyone and avoided 3 possible future collisions. This driver installed a 3rd brake light, so everyone behind him was well aware when he pulled something off like this. This driver driving a brand new BMW threw trash out of his window claiming he had no cup holders. Do you think he lied?
Hey, yo! Why the fuck are you littering, you piece of shit? Fuck, man. Why the fuck are you littering? What's wrong with you? Well, pour the water out, keep the cup, and throw it away like a normal human being. You're the one littering like a child.
Talk like a normal person. Say, why would you throw that out? It's bad for the environment instead of cursing it.
But your reasoning
You're right.
doesn't make sense.
You're right, but talk nicely.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
I'm sorry I did that. You are right.
No worries, no worries, no worries. All right, yeah.
Comment down below if you have a dash cam and how much you bought it for. America needs to pass a law that requires all driving permits to be taken once every 5 years or something. Jeez. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.